Hey, what's up, YouTube? What's going on? So we are working on this exercise number 2, and I chose this exercise and this one. So this video is about how to, the results of all the requirements in this exercise. All right. So for that, I have my GitHub repo, and all I need is just this bash script, all right, which is in charge to build and deploy in the Docker registry the image related to the exercise. So far, this is my current status of my Docker registry, and so I also download the bash script that we were talking about. Actually, this is the source code of it. All right, so first things first, let's give it permission to execute. Right, so we are ready to go, and let's jump into. So stage number 1, the idea is to build and deploy the Docker images. All right, so what is going on? So right now the script is doing this part. In my computer, there's no actually this repository is totally new. All right, so after that, this is the part once the repository is in the host OS. This is where the Docker image is in the process to be created. Okay, first the database. Why I'm trying to generate an image? Because inside I have data to load. So that is why I decide to also create a Docker image for this purpose. All right, so if anything goes well, okay, actually we are in this part, we are in the process to generate the second images, which is related to the backend, okay, because this application has actually 3 stages: the database, the backend, which is TypeScript plus Node.js scripts, and finally the front ends, which are JavaScript in place, which is called EJS. All right, so as you can see, I'm also creating on the fly the information that goes in the .env file. All right, so more info, you can go to these files, which of course are in the repository. So everything goes as expected, I guess. I hope so, right? So right now we are in this phase. Actually, it just finished the stage to create the front end of the application. This is a very important in part. Actually, I have in my bash file these variables, which has my Docker registry username and my Docker hub password. So if the Docker images were created successfully. So then the script will upload to my Docker registry. Actually, this is an important part. Um, the how to tag my each of the Docker images. So I like to use the a convention of the Debian Linux OS, which has 3 branches, which are experimental, unstable, and stable. And after that, a very common way to identify each version. All right. So, for example, all of the 3 Docker images are in the stable phase. Maybe yes, maybe not. Maybe they might in a unstable phase, whatever. And also in this version. All right. So, and if everything goes as expected, when this script finish, we will go to our Docker registry and see what happened. All right. And after that, we are logging out to our Docker services. Actually, this is the first time I'm trying to test the whole part of this bash script. All right. So in this morning, I did this part. So I code this part. So yeah, fingers crossed to work as expected. All right. So basically, this is the first part to build and deploy in the Docker registry our 3 images. Yeah, after that, we are going to the stage how to deploy these images, creating each container. And of course, this is a process that we might choose if our operation are on premises. Of course, if we are trying to deploy this application with its respective containers, maybe using a a cloud provider, maybe we may try to need we may need a 3 or even a 4 stage. Okay, so actually that is the idea, to try to go a couple steps forward and try to work with a cloud provider. So, but basically, this is the process that I try to choose if I need to deploy these images and containers on premise. Yeah. What else? Everything looks as expected. Let's try to go if we see something where. But yeah, everything looks as expected. No errors found so far. Of course, this is just the creation of each images. Um, how I know if they are working as I wish to do? Yeah, that will be in the next video, where we will try to spin up those images into Docker containers. And after that, we will see if we are trying to connect of each of the services, or maybe the containers. Right. So of course, I also have plans to have a second or third version of this script using Python, for example, or even Golang. Right. So What next? Let's have a look at the images that we have. All right, so we have 3 images as we expected. What about containers? Nothing so far, right? Very good. And last but not least, let's go to our Docker registry and see what happened. Maybe the images will be there, maybe not. Let's find out. All right, so yeah, they seems to be good. All right, for example, let's try to give an extra eye to the front end of the full stack exercise. And yeah, this is our tag. All right, actually, if we go to another images, yes, this is our tag as we expected. Very good, guys. So in the next video, we will go to spin up our containers using our Docker Compose YAML file. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.